LinkedIn is the world's leading professional networking site. Millions use it to connect with colleagues, find jobs, and build their careers. This valuable information makes LinkedIn a prime target for hackers. Hackers see LinkedIn as a goldmine of personal and professional data. Protecting yourself starts with understanding the risks. Hackers can use your LinkedIn profile for many malicious purposes. They can steal your identity, spam your connections, or gain access to your employer's network. The consequences of a hacked LinkedIn account can be severe, both personally and professionally. Don't wait until it's too late. Take steps now to protect your LinkedIn account from cyber attacks. Yes, it is technically possible to hack a LinkedIn account without phishing. Here's how. Here's an organized and clear explanation of existing methods hackers use to compromise systems. These methods can be categorized into technical, psychological, and physical approaches. Intercepting communications between two parties, often over unsecured networks like public Wi-Fi. Injecting malicious SQL commands to exploit vulnerabilities in databases. Deploying malicious software, such as viruses, worms, ransomware, or spyware, to compromise systems. Automated tools are used to guess passwords, especially if the user has a weak or common password. If the user is on an unsecured network, like public Wi-Fi, attackers can intercept session cookies to gain access without knowing the password. Injecting scripts into websites to manipulate or steal data from users. Yes, no computer system is 100% secure. All systems, from LinkedIn to high-security organizations like NASA, NSA, AMD, CIA, FBI, or the FSB, a computer not even connected to the internet in Iran running centrifuges, etc. However, every non-trivial computer can be hacked. Almost all of them have been. The ones that haven't been hacked only haven't been hacked because they are worth the effort of hackers to target. How do you know if your LinkedIn account has been compromised? Look for these warning signs. Unusual activity. See posts or messages you didn't send? This is a major red flag. Unfamiliar connections. Are you suddenly connected to people you don't know? Hackers often send out mass connection requests, login attempts. Check your settings. Do you see login attempts from unfamiliar locations or devices? Profile changes? Have your work history or skills been altered without your knowledge? This is a clear sign of a breach. Suspicious messages. Be wary of messages asking for personal information or containing strange links. If you notice any of these signs, act immediately. Change your password and enable two-factor authentication. Report the issue to LinkedIn. Protecting your LinkedIn account starts with strong security measures. In today's digital age, securing your online presence is more important than ever. LinkedIn, being a professional network, holds a lot of sensitive information that can be a target for cybercriminals. Here are some essential steps to ensure your LinkedIn profile remains secure and your personal information stays protected. Strong passwords. Use a unique, complex password for your LinkedIn account. A strong password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. Don't reuse passwords from other websites. Reusing passwords increases the risk of multiple accounts being compromised if one password is leaked. Two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. By enabling two-factor authentication, you ensure that even if someone gets hold of your password, they still can't access your account without a second form of verification. You'll need to enter a code from your phone or email in addition to your password. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Regular password updates. Change your password every few months. Regularly updating your password reduces the risk of long-term exposure if your password is compromised. This makes it harder for hackers to gain access. Cyber criminals are always looking for easy targets, and regularly changing your password can deter them. Beware of phishing. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown senders. Phishing is a common tactic used by hackers to steal your credentials. Hackers often use phishing emails to steal credentials. Always verify the sender's email address and be cautious of any unexpected messages. Review connected apps. Go through your LinkedIn settings and revoke access for any apps you no longer use. Third-party apps can sometimes be a weak link in your security chain. These simple steps can significantly reduce your risk of being hacked. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy a safer and more secure LinkedIn experience. Hackers are always evolving their methods. Familiarize yourself with these common tactics. Deceptive connection requests. Hackers create fake profiles to send connection requests. Be cautious about connecting with people you don't know. Fake job offers. Be wary of too good to be true job offers. Hackers use these to collect personal information or spread malware. LinkedIn messaging scams. Hackers send messages impersonating LinkedIn or other trusted sources. They may ask for your login credentials or direct you to malicious websites. Malicious LinkedIn groups. Some groups are created solely to spread malware or phishing links. Be cautious about joining groups you're not familiar with. By understanding these tactics, you can better protect yourself from falling victim. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is one of the most effective ways to secure your online accounts. It adds an extra layer of security by requiring two forms of identification. Here's how it works. First, you enter your username and password as usual. Then, LinkedIn sends a unique code to your phone or email address. You enter the code to verify your identity. Even if a hacker steals your password, they can't access your account without the second factor. Enabling 2FA is simple and takes just a few minutes. Just go to your LinkedIn security settings and follow the instructions. In addition to the steps above, here are some best practices for maintaining a secure LinkedIn presence. Regularly review connected apps and services that have access to your LinkedIn account. This is crucial because over time, you might have granted access to various third-party applications that you no longer use or trust. Go through your LinkedIn settings and revoke access for any third-party apps you no longer use. This helps in minimizing the risk of unauthorized access to your personal information. Additionally, keep your software updated to ensure you have the latest security features. Make sure your operating system, browser, and security software are up to date. Regular updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Updates often include important security patches that protect your system from new threats. Use strong antivirus software to add an extra layer of security. Install reputable antivirus software on your devices. This software can detect and remove malware, spyware, and other malicious programs that could compromise your LinkedIn account. This helps protect against malware and other threats that could steal your personal information or hijack your account. Be cautious on public Wi-Fi. Public networks are often unsecured, making it easier for cybercriminals to intercept your data. Avoid accessing sensitive information, like your LinkedIn account, on public Wi-Fi networks. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your data. These networks are often unsecured, and using a VPN can help protect your information from being intercepted by malicious actors. And finally, log out of shared devices. When using a computer or device that others have access to, always make sure to log out of your LinkedIn account. Always log out of your LinkedIn account when using a shared computer or device. This prevents others from accessing your account and personal information. By following these best practices, you can minimize your risk and enjoy a safer LinkedIn experience. Taking these steps not only protects your personal information but also ensures that your professional network remains secure. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile isn't just good for your career, it also enhances your security. A well-optimized profile can act as a deterrent to potential hackers and identity thieves. By taking a few extra steps, you can make your profile not only more appealing to potential employers, but also more secure. Use a professional profile picture. A clear professional headshot makes it harder for hackers to create a convincing fake profile. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of someone impersonating you online. A clear professional headshot makes it harder for hackers to create a convincing fake profile. Complete your profile. Make sure to fill out every section of your profile with accurate and up-to-date information. This not only makes you look more professional, but also helps LinkedIn verify your identity. Fill out your profile with accurate and up-to-date information. Include your work history, education, skills, and any other relevant details. The more complete your profile, the more credible you appear to both LinkedIn and potential connections. This helps LinkedIn verify your identity and detect suspicious activity. Regularly update your profile to reflect any new achievements or changes in your career. This keeps your profile fresh and relevant. Customize your public profile URL. Create a custom URL for your profile. This makes it easier for people to find you, and less likely they'll land on a fake profile. A custom URL also looks more professional on business cards and resumes. Create a custom URL for your profile. This small change can make a big difference in how easily you can be found online. This makes it easier for people to find you, and less likely they'll land on a fake profile. Manage endorsements and recommendations. Regularly review your endorsements and recommendations to ensure they are from credible sources. Regularly review your endorsements and recommendations. Remove any that seem suspicious or come from people you don't know. This helps maintain the integrity of your profile. Remove any that seem suspicious or come from people you don't know. A well-maintained profile is a signal to both connections and hackers that you take your online presence seriously. It shows that you are active and engaged on the platform. A well-maintained profile is a signal to both connections and hackers that you take your online presence seriously. By following these steps, you can create a LinkedIn profile that is both professional and secure, making it a valuable tool for your career and a strong defense against online threats. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your LinkedIn account. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest cybersecurity news and threats. Report suspicious activity. If you see something, say something. Report any suspicious activity to LinkedIn immediately. Be skeptical. Don't trust everything you see online. Be wary of unsolicited messages, too good to be true offers, and requests for personal information. Remember, your online security is your responsibility. By taking proactive steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime. Your LinkedIn profile is a valuable asset. It's a window into your professional life, your network, and your career aspirations. Protect it. By understanding the risks, implementing strong security measures, and staying vigilant, you can safeguard your LinkedIn account from cyber attacks. Remember, your digital security is in your hands. Be proactive, be aware, and stay safe online.